Hi, this is Lance. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020, and we just came off Easter weekend, and regardless of your faith, I hope you had a relaxing and peaceful weekend. You know, I spent yesterday, part of the day, watching the replay of last year's Masters tournament, the 2019 Masters tournament, and if you may or may not recall, last year was the year that Tiger Woods defied all the odds and won his fifth Masters, his 15th major tournament. And so I want to talk to you about persistence. Persistence, because that's all I could think about as I was watching this miracle. I was reminded of the miracle that he really pulled off. And if there's any one trait that described Tiger Woods' ability to achieve that success, and the same trait that I see in every student who gets their first deal done, is persistence. And that is the ability to see yourself through the obstacles, the ability to see ourselves through the challenges, and to never give up. And of course, I think everyone knows Tiger Woods' story. He's had multiple years, many years of adversity and public embarrassment and health challenges and surgeries and his own internal thoughts that he was never coming back. And the experts saying he was never come back. Yet he ignored all that and he focused day to day on what's my next logical step. And really, no matter what you're pursuing in life, that's really what it comes down to, is every day we have to ask ourselves, what's the next logical step? We cannot predict the future. There's no point worrying about the future, and that's where all fear comes from, is worrying about the future. However, we can't control that. What we can control is what's my next logical step. And when we focus on the present, there is no fear in the present. There is no fear in the current moment. So if at any point you're finding yourself burdened by fear, worrying about the future, then I want you to ask yourself, what's the next logical step? What is my next logical step? And take that one step. No matter how small, just take some action. Because the feeling of control comes from taking action. It's the question of, what am I going to make happen that is empowering, versus the disempowering question, what's going to happen to me? So I want you to ask, what am I going to make happen? What's my next logical step? And just take that step, day by day, day by day. And that's how together we're all going to see ourselves through this uncertain future. Persistence. Persistence. Hey, one other announcement. We're going to have a live webinar. I got two things going on this week. We got our virtual 3-day boot camp, How to Make Big Money in Small Apartments. That starts Thursday. On Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, I'm hosting a live webinar with Q&A, and this is about the 7 keys to building a real estate business. The 7 keys to building a real estate business. Doesn't matter what niche of real estate you're in, I'm going to show you how to build a real business, how to lay the foundation to give yourself security, financial independence going forward in the future, so you have multiple streams of income, so you have cash reserves, and you're able to conduct this business with others doing the work for you, and you can do it all virtually. It's the 7 keys to success in your real estate business. I'll be answering questions on that live webinar Wednesday, 3 p.m. Eastern. You'll be seeing the announcements come out by email and social media. Have a great week, everyone. Persistence.